Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. We have a new customer here today in the shop with a new truck for me. It's a 2015 Toyota Tundra 4-wheel drive. These wheels weren't on this baby. She came with a steel rims, the spare underneath the truck is still steel, and this new owner said, yeah, I bought them on the Craigslist, they make it looking super cool, I love it. He has also aftermarket brakes. He works on his truck by himself a lot. For example, he said somebody did my brakes, but then they didn't lube the sliders, so I redid it and did it myself. So he likes to work on his truck himself, and he brought it for just one simple service today as a introductory. He found out when he was looking on the videos, he saw the different buildings which are surrounding this new shop, and he's like, oh my god, I thought Toyota Maintenance is based somewhere else in California, and he realized I'm right here. So he brought it today here. I removed the skid plate, which is right here, and I just found mysterious engine oil leak. The dealer was servicing this vehicle. They did the oil change. I saw the paperwork. They didn't tell him anything. So I'm not speaking about that little drip on the engine oil filter housing, but look at that crazy mess. Look how much oil is everywhere. So I'm trying to investigate where it's coming from, but so far I will call it mysterious, and I don't know from where it's coming from. I think we need to switch to different camera to be able to get inside there. You will probably agree that I have no chance to shove there this Sony beast. So my first reaction was, is it the main crank seal? Because the oil is down here, as you see it finally. Look at it, look how much oil is everywhere here. Well, if it was a main crank seal, the oil will be also down here. This is the main pulley right there. And not only it's not flowing down, I used even a mirror because that main crank pulley has these openings in it, and I looked behind it. Maybe this will go all the way there. I looked behind it and it's actually dry, so it's definitely not leaking from there. And the other area I see where it's wet is right here, but that could be traveling up slightly because here is the fan. The fan speed, right? You see it here when it's moving, it will move that oil. So once again, we are underneath here. I will try to go this way. And this is unusual engine, I didn't say it yet. This is not a 517 liter. So look, it's not like it's originating up there. More thing is being spread by the movement of the air of that cooling fan, and it keeps coming up there. And it's slowly basically disappearing. Do you see that map? Hopefully you do. The map shows it was kind of traveling upwards. So I will say the conclusion, but I'm not absolutely sure. My conclusion is it's actually where this entire engine oil filter housing is mounted, and it's mounted right here. How can we see it? Right there. Do you see? Oh yeah. It's too much light, and maybe this is the perfect. So maybe there is a O-ring right there, and when it's being fed, when the oil is being fed, probably the best angle from here. When the oil is being fed into this housing, I think that's where that leak is from. And it needs to be replaced. I should look it up. I didn't do it yet. I should look it up. And if there is a rubber O-ring, rubber gasket, definitely I will say it's originating right there. But you guys might have seen this problem before, and I will appreciate if you did experience it. Just write it in the comments so I can save myself researching and looking for this stuff. As I said, 4.6 is not very often in my shop. I had only, if I count it in one hand, I will say that's all what I got here. Other than that, this engine and truck, it's in immaculate shape. Everything, it's perfect and beautiful. So this is what I have found here, and if you know the answer, please put it in the comments. Right there, you see, I'm using a phone, so I don't know why it wasn't sharp. So I think it's coming exactly from right there, the center of the screen right now. So I got online and got us this schematic from one of those Toyota dealerships, which they have stores online. And here we are looking right in the center of the screen. We can see that entire filter housing, and sure enough, there are these two O-rings. I called local Toyota dealer, the parts guy, very helpful, Ryan in the parts, and he confirmed this is actually in the stock. These two O-rings are in the stock. The number is the one on the top. It's that 96721-24025. These are available today in stock because, now comes the most important part, because this is common. They see those leaks on this 4.7 liter. So here you got it, my friend. I researched it for you. If you have ever this problem, here are even the parts number. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. See ya.